At Carbery Dairy, our forward-thinking approach is led by our innovative team of research and development experts.
Researching market trends and working in partnership with our customers allows us to really understand their business and where it's headed, so we can continue to adapt to their changing needs. We develop a range of recipes to improve upon functionality and optimise the flavour profiles of our cheeses.
That's why we invest so heavily in innovation, keeping our customers ahead of the curve to future-proof their business.
The in-house technology and expertise here are truly unmatched. We have 50 years of starter-culture experience, which really speaks to our innovation. We've also partnered with several universities and research institutes to gain an even deeper understanding of starter cultures and implemented a phased research programme to ensure the perfect recipe.
At Carbery Dairy, we're all for cheese, so our R&D experts work closely with our cheesemakers when transferring the recipe to the processing plant to ensure a seamless journey from farm to fork. Carbery Dairy, all for cheese.